Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, I am going to express my personal views and analysis again on Tata Motors stock. Why we are always concentrating on Tata Motors stock? Because the reason number one is Tata is an highly ethical, positive company, and they have good corporate practice. And second reason is whenever the Tata Motors stock falls to a certain level, it will uh, bounce back at very short interval. So I always prefer to trade with Tata Motors, invest with Tata Motors. Particularly, instead of going Tata Motors, I used to in the earlier video also I said that I used to couple Tata MTR DVR with Tata Power always. So in this video, we are going to have few points about the Tata Motors, why the stock is falling, what we as an investor, as a trader, what we have to do, what may be the reason behind this fall. So before going in detail about this Tata Motors stock in this video, let us have few points about the Superfans trading tips platform which operates through WhatsApp from Bull Street. So we have two kinds of trading tips platform in WhatsApp. One is Superfans option. In Superfans option, we used to give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. There may be stocks which are available in the price range of 5 paise to 20 rupees. So we give recommendation of these stocks then and there. Why we are recommending equity penny stocks in equity in option segment? Because whenever a person meets a meager loss, he has to compensate the loss. So for that, we are giving stocks in equity, particularly in penny stocks, because these penny stocks will have a great future, and in few years these stocks will give a great return. So we give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making, mainly then and there. And second one, we give penny option trading tips in stock options. So the option premiums ranging from 10 paise, 20 paise up to 90 paise, less than 1 rupee. Such kind of stock option trading tips with the entry and target. This will be given in live market. Okay, updates will also be given in WhatsApp. This is second one. And third one, whenever a stock shows a momentum or spurt or spike, we will make a try to make a trade with the low budget. Low budget means to take one lot, say about 500 rupees, some 500 rupees, 1,500, sometimes 2,500, such a low budget. So using this low budget, we can make an attempt to create some profits. So this is three. So to take the combo of these three kinds of trading tips, the subscription is 799 per month. So you can remit the subscription either by Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm or Amazon Pay to this WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. So this is one particular WhatsApp trading tips group. And another trading tips group is known as Superfans Equity. Superfans Equity, in which we have two kinds of trading calls. One is whenever there is a opportunity arises in the market, we give highly speculative moving scripts on personal basis with the entry and target. So this is one. And second one is investment call. So some people may want to invest their money in particular stock for a short period of time, say about few days to few weeks, sometimes few months. So to avail these two kinds of trading tips for safe trading in equity, that subscription is 799 per month. Same way you can remit the subscription and join Superfans trading tips groups. Now coming to this Tata Motors, the history of the history of Tata. The Tata Motors stock is always preferable, as I said earlier, because this stock has a very high momentum in bounce back. So whenever it creates a fall, it will again make a bounce back in certain few trading sessions. Sometimes, rarely after rare, it makes in few months holding. See, recently this made a fall from a rate of 358 rupees 20 paise. Now recently it had a low at 305 and it closed around 306.20 level to 306.15 level. Such a massive fall happened in few days. In our earlier video, we said the reason is nothing but the CEO of JLR, Jaguar and Land Rover, said that because of shortage of semiconductor chip, they are uh, forced to have 50% of the production capacity. So this downsize of production capacity leads to downsize of profit also. So I am wondering why such a corporate company with all facilities, all softwares, why they don't predict this earlier. Though they are saying that this is a pandemic situation, we are facing the second wave, we may be facing third wave. So there is a shortage of semiconductor chip. Just because of semiconductor chip shortage, we are forced to downsize the production capacity to 50%. So this gives a suspicious over the statement of the CEO of JLR. Because as a trader, as a speculative trader, as an opportunistic trader, I used to view likewise only. Because with full production capacity, this JLR people go to the market and they may fail in the sales because of the pandemic situation and third wave and etc. etc. So by calculating these things virtually, they may come to a conclusion that so before going to make such a mistake, let us have this kind of verbal statement and this kind of solution that stating that they may say some sort of reason, some sort of not a silly, some sort of some many reason said that just because of shortage of semiconductor chip, we are forced to close down, downsize the production capacity to 50%. So now they may go to this with this 50% of production capacity to the market to sales, and later they may say that we have completed all sales, so we made 100% sales of this 50% production. So catch this point. They may say that 100% sales has been achieved with 50% of the production capacity. So they are creating to post a positive, very good Q number for in the forthcoming quarterly results. So this may be a gimmick in corporate. So if so, when this stock falls to a lower level, damn sure the stock will bounce back rapidly. This is one. And another suspicion that there may be some people who are cornering this Tata Group stock, because the Tata Motors has a very good recent history related to the electrical vehicle and the high success of Nexon and Tata Safari. And then in our earlier video also I said that they are forming a combo relationship between Tata Motors and Tata Power. They will be charging, they will be creating charging stations across the country. So they will promote more electrical vehicles. If so, they will have a great future over other car makers. So one or a group of traders or group of investors, group of speculators making a calculation that Tata Motor stock will have a great future. So we need not enter at this particular level, say like 358 level. Let us make the stocks to come down to a lower level, even below 300 level, even maybe at 288 level, even maybe at 265 level. So let us enter at that level. Then we can have a double, triple time massive profit. So this may be a calculation of some shadow people. So you know that there are people in the grey market. So some people in the grey market may be doing this sort of calculation. So let it be as an innocent investor, as an innocent trader, as an opportunistic investor, opportunistic trader, as a speculative trader. What we can do, we can make an entry at the Tata Motors whenever a low is possible. Then we can reap the profit when it comes to a higher level. So this is one. But as a speculator, as a trader, I always prefer not the Tata Motors. I prefer a combo of Tata MTR DVR along with Tata Powers. So this is my way of looking at the Tata Motors. So Tata Motors is not in a setback. This shortage of semiconductor chip is just a verbal reason only. It may not be the actual physical situation. So let us move along with the Tata Motors and let us make money out of Tata Motors. So it's better join the Superfans option trading tips along with Superfans equity trading tips. Suppose you want to have a massive jackpot profits, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine. This is separate. The subscription details available at our blog site. So thank you very much. I am Vijay.